Come here. Come here, please. Daddy's gonna open the door.
Whoa. Where are we going, buddy?
Come this way.
Brady. Hey, Brady. Whoa. Woo!
Stand up.
Good catch.
Stand up for mommy. Show me how you do it. Hi. Can you stand up? Oh. What did you have for breakfast? Did you have something that you shouldn't for breakfast? See, look at my curls. Look at my curls sticking out the back of my hat. My grasshopper hat. Yes, that's what it is. There's my curls. Oh.
Hey, buddy.
Daddy's getting ready to go.